The melody of our beauty does not fade as the years pass. It simply deepens into a richer, more luxurious key. We have all heard the phrase, black don't crack. And while our melanin is undeniably a divine gift of resilience, there's a hidden truth that the mainstream beauty industry completely ignores. Your radiant, melanin-rich skin can either be illuminated or it can be quietly dimmed. And often, that shift does not happen because of age. It happens because of one single choice you make every time you sit in that salon chair. You can wear the most elevated, timeless fashion, possess an impeccable sense of style, and maintain a skincare routine that keeps your skin supple and glowing, yet still walk out of the salon looking drained and weighed down, all because of your hair color. If you are a Black woman over 50 or over 60 who is navigating this deeply personal, beautiful transition of style, identity, and graceful aging, this conversation is curated specifically for you. This is not for the general crowd. This is for you, my sister, the mature woman who has earned every single year of her wisdom and deserves to radiate luxury because of it, not in spite of it. Today, we are unveiling 5 specific hair colors that could be subtly working against your natural majesty, and 3 breathtaking, sophisticated alternatives that will instantly lift your features, complement your undertones, and restore that magnetic, ageless glow that defines the true essence of timeless Black elegance. Stay with me, because by the end of this masterclass, the woman looking back at you in the mirror is going to feel entirely reborn. Here is the perspective that mainstream media refuses to acknowledge. Your relationship with color cannot remain stagnant at 55 or 65. It should not look the way it did at 35, and that is not a loss. That is a magnificent evolution. When you understand how to cooperate with this evolution, it becomes the most potent tool in your arsenal. Our melanin-rich skin is extraordinary. It retains moisture beautifully, resists structural damage, and develops a soulful, regal depth over the decades. However, our undertones do shift. The surface of our skin becomes more refined, and shadows can begin to fall in places where light used to dance freely. When your hair color battles these natural changes, instead of embracing them, your complexion can instantly look tired, harsh, or casting an artificial dullness across your features. This journey is never about chasing youth or conforming to fleeting trends. It is about self-expression, radical confidence, and choosing hues that honor the woman you are today. The wrong hair color does not merely sit on your head, it dictates how light interacts with your eyes and how soft or sharp your jawline appears. It either opens your face up to the world or it closes it down. Before we unlock these styling truths, if you can already feel the warmth of this conversation, take a moment to invite luxury into your daily routine. Give this video a like and gently hit that subscribe button to join our timeless Black elegance family. This is your sanctuary for everything regarding Black women over 50 fashion, mature natural hairstyling, and the ultimate luxury lifestyle for Black seniors. Drop a comment below right now and share your current hair color or the shade you've been dreaming of trying. I read every single word. Now, let us dissect the 5 shades that may be quietly stealing your glow. First is the classic jet black. I know this might spark an immediate defense, and I understand why. On a Black woman, jet black hair is iconic. It is ancestral. It has framed some of the most powerful, regal, and unforgettable matriarchs in our history. But devotion without awareness can come at a very high cost to your elegance. After 50, as our skin becomes more delicate and refined, an intense, cool-toned jet black creates an aggressively stark contrast against mature skin. Instead of framing your face, it begins to compete with it. Every fine line is amplified against that heavy, dark backdrop. The natural golden warmth of your brown skin gets pulled into a cool, shadowed territory where it simply does not belong. Then there's the luxury of your time and hair health. Even a fraction of an inch of gray or silver root growth against pure jet black screams for attention. It forces you into a relentless cycle of chemical touch-ups. For our textured, mature natural hair, which already requires maximum hydration due to the hormonal shifts of menopause, this constant chemical processing is devastating. Furthermore, if you are experiencing any thinning or changes in density, which is completely natural for Black women over 60, jet black acts like a spotlight, making every area of visible scalp stand out in high contrast. You never have to sacrifice depth or drama. You simply need to pivot. Shifting to a rich espresso brown, a luxurious dark chocolate with warm undertones, or a soft black that breathes with natural warmth will completely transform your aesthetic. These shades maintain your regality and dimension, but they wrap your face in a soft embrace rather than a harsh shadow. They make your overall look feel more expensive, polished, and effortlessly rested. Ask yourself honestly, have you been holding on to jet black out of habit or out of true intention? Second is platinum blonde. There is an undeniable allure to platinum. It feels unapologetically bold and modern. Many mature women navigating the transition to their natural silver decide to just go all the way light, to skip the awkward in-between phase. While the logic seems sound, stark, icy platinum is rarely a friend to our unique undertones. As we age gracefully while Black, our skin requires colors that feed warmth back into the complexion. Platinum blonde, with its chalky white and intensely cool undertones, strips that vital energy away. The result is often a washed-out pale effect that looks completely disconnected from the rich depth of your skin. It creates a jarring visual disconnect where the hair and the skin are working against one another. Beyond the visual impact, we must talk about the structural integrity of your crown. Achieving platinum on melanin-textured hair demands aggressive, repetitive bleaching. After 50, our hair strands are naturally finer, drier, and more fragile. Overprocessing leaves the hair looking brittle, dull, and straw-like, completely robbing you of that healthy, luxurious bounce that signifies wellness and vitality. The maintenance is exhausting, requiring constant purple shampoos, toner treatments, and root touch-ups just to fight off brassiness. If you love the elevation of lightness, choose to go warm. Think honey blonde, rich caramel, or a soft golden beige. These shades provide that exact same luminous, high society lift, but they reflect a sun-kissed glow onto your skin. They feel cohesive, wealthy, and are infinitely kinder to the health of your hair. Third is vivid fire engine red. Red is a statement of power and supreme confidence. When executed correctly, it is mesmerizing. It makes complete sense why a woman over 50 wanting to feel vibrant and highly visible would reach for a fiery crimson. However, a major distinction must be made between a red that commands respect and a red that screams for attention. Vivid neon-adjacent reds, cherry tones, and intense bright coppers create a severe visual noise next to mature features. When your skin has naturally softened, an oversaturated, unnatural red sitting at the crown of your head creates an artificial barrier. Your eyes and smile get completely lost in the chaos. What was meant to feel edgy ends up looking harsh. We must also address the grace of how a color ages. Vivid reds fade faster than almost any other pigment on Earth, and they do not fade beautifully. Within a couple of weeks, you are left with a brassy, muddy orange that compromises your elegant aesthetic. To fix it, you are subjected to more color processing, trapping your hair in a cycle of damage. Red can look absolutely exquisite on Black women over 50, but the secret lies in depth and richness. Lean into deep auburn, sophisticated burgundy, black cherry, or warm mahogany. These tones harmonize beautifully with melanin-rich skincare and complexions. They provide that fiery personality and sophisticated edge without declaring war on your natural features. They look completely intentional, fade gracefully, and exude a quiet, high-end luxury. Fourth is dark purple and eggplant. Purple carries a beautiful promise of artistry, individuality, and modern mystery. On paper, a deep eggplant shade seems like a gorgeous way to achieve drama without resorting to standard blonde or red. In reality, the execution on mature complexions can be quite treacherous. Deep, highly saturated purples can cast an ash-like, sallow undertone across mature brown skin. Under certain lighting, it deepens the natural shadows around the eyes and jawline, adding years to your appearance rather than illuminating your spirit. The deep drama that looks captivating in a stylized photograph often translates as heavy and unnatural in the harsh light of everyday life. Much like vivid red, eggplant is a high-maintenance shade that loses its luster rapidly. On porous, mature hair, it quickly fades into an uneven, muddy gray-brown that lacks shine. If you are captivated by the regal nature of purple, the key is to soften your approach with supreme sophistication. Consider weaving delicate lilac highlights through your natural gray or silver hair, or opt for a soft lavender glaze over your silver crown. This allows the color to catch the light like fine jewelry, giving you that artistic, fashion-forward edge while keeping your look entirely elevated and soft. Fifth is bold green, electric teal, and ultra-edgy unconventional colors. One of the most magnificent privileges of crossing the threshold of 50 and 60 is the radical emotional freedom that comes with it. You no longer seek permission, and you certainly do not care about mainstream expectations. For many women, this liberation translates into experimenting with vibrant blues, forest greens, or electric oranges. While I celebrate that rebellious spirit, we must always balance self-expression with absolute flattery. Unconventional neon shades often force the natural golden, bronze, or rich brown undertones of your skin to appear gray or tired. Instead of people noticing the beauty of your eyes, the elegance of your cheekbones, or your sophisticated style, they see the hair color first and the woman second. If your primary goal is pure, unfiltered, avant-garde expression, then wear it proudly, because authentic confidence is always the ultimate luxury. But if your goal is to look undeniably beautiful, modern, and elite, there are far more sophisticated ways to showcase your edge. An ash brown with cool silver ribbons creates an architectural, high-fashion look. A smoky slate gray with a whisper of midnight blue depth feels incredibly high-end. These choices signal that you are playing by your own style rules, but with an execution that remains breathtakingly chic. Now let us transition into the space of pure elevation. We are not just removing what dampens your light, we are replacing it with true luxury. These three alternatives are not compromises, they are immediate upgrades to your entire image. Alternative number 1 is warm chestnut brown. If there's one shade that consistently acts as an instant facelift for Black women over 50, it is this one. Warm chestnut brown lives in absolute harmony with melanin. It offers depth without the suffocating weight of jet black, and it carries soft golden brown and cinnamon undertones that mirror the natural warmth of your skin. This color doesn't compete with your face, it serves it. It instantly brightens the eyes, softens any shadows around the mouth, and reflects light in a way that makes your skin look deeply hydrated and vibrant. The maintenance is an absolute dream. As your gorgeous grays and silvers grow in, they blend into warm chestnut brown like soft, intentional highlights rather than a harsh demarcation line. It creates the optical illusion of density and movement, which is magnificent if your hair has experienced changes in thickness. Warm chestnut is not a temporary trend, it is an enduring classic. And in the world of timeless fashion, classics are where our true power resides. Alternative number 2 is light caramel. Caramel exists in that heavenly space between brown and blonde. It possesses enough golden richness to lift your features and inject a youthful luminosity into your complexion without ever washing you out or requiring destructive levels of bleach. For intermediate to deep skin tones, caramel is a masterstroke of genius. Those golden ribbons dance against warm brown skin, creating a radiant, sun-kissed glow that looks as though you just stepped off a yacht in the Mediterranean. Caramel is incredibly forgiving. If you have areas of uneven pigmentation or hyperpigmentation, this shade draws the eye upward and outward toward the warmth of your hair, blurring those minor imperfections seamlessly. It grows out with total grace, softening your roots and offering an effortless, quiet, luxury aesthetic that makes people wonder what your secret is. Alternative number 3 is honey brown highlights. True transformation rarely requires a loud announcement. Often, the highest form of elegance is found in the quiet addition of dimension, texture, and light to what you already possess. Honey brown highlights sit beautifully between golden amber and soft topaz. When woven into your natural base, whether that base is deep brown, natural gray, or silver, they create an exquisite play of light. The specific magic of honey highlights for a mature Black woman is how they frame the face. The warmth gracefully diffuses the appearance of fine lines, surrounding your features with a soft focus glow. Your face appears more animated, bright, and full of life, without the shock value of a total color overhaul. This strategy respects your time, your lifestyle, and above all, the sacred health of your hair. Your hair color is never a trivial beauty choice. It is the literal frame of your face, the crown you wear into every room before you ever speak a word, before anyone notices your tailored clothing, your fine jewelry, or your posture. You, a magnificent Black woman over 50, have earned the right to occupy every space as the most luminous, intentional, and striking version of yourself. Not despite your age, but precisely because of it. You possess the wisdom now. You possess the clarity to make choices that genuinely serve your spirit, leaving behind old habits and societal expectations. You are not shrinking, you are not hiding, and you are certainly not chasing a ghost of who you were 30 years ago. You are stepping into the most refined, sophisticated, and brilliant era of your life. If this conversation has awakened something within your style consciousness, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which luxury shade is calling your name: warm chestnut, luminous caramel, or delicate honey highlights. Let us keep this conversation flowing at our kitchen table. Give this video a like if it brought value to your day, and subscribe to Timeless Black Elegance to ensure you never miss our curated deep dives into fashion, lifestyle, and confidence for the sophisticated Black woman. Walk with your head held high, live with intention, and remember that your glow is entirely timeless.